we have discussed about alter command, right? So if you want to add, like if you have already created any table, inside that table if you want to modify something, so for modifying any structure to that table we have this alter command. So if you want to add any column, if you want to rename any column name, or if you want to delete any column or rename any table name, so for that purpose we have this alter command, right? Now we'll see their example also. Let me open this in Paint. Okay, let me open that MySQL workbench as well. Hope you are practicing all previous query that I have discussed till now. So try to practice that whatever I've discussed in previous class. In next class, try to practice those programs. Okay. So welcome to this. Yeah. So yesterday we have created one table, that is student, right? Let me check there. Okay, we have created employee table. Yeah. So let me do the select query for getting those value. Yeah. So we have total 3 row in this student table. We have added one column here, that is mobile. Via which command? Via alter command. So we'll use this alter command to add any column in this employee table. So this is the command alter table, and you have to provide the table name. Like if you want to add this mobile column in this employee table, so alter table and the employee table name, add, because you are adding any table, right? So add, you have to use this add keyword, add, and then mobile and the other detail like data type and their size. Okay, so in this alter command you can add more than one column as well at a time. So earlier I have added this mobile, right? So we have employee ID, name, email, company. Let me add this address, right? Pin, pin I will give as the integer. Why it is giving error? Wait, yeah. So in this alter command you can add multiple table at a time. So if you execute this query, they will add this address and pin inside this table, right? So this is the example for this one, first one, adding column in existing table via alter command. Okay, now we'll see that query for rename. So if you want to rename any column, right? So if you want to rename any column, you can do that as well. Got it? So what is the query for that? So let me copy this query. I'll paste it here. Okay, alter table employee. Earlier we have one more column query. Now alter table employee, add mobile, right? So we have used these two query. Oh, we have already that one. This. Okay, Now we'll see that query for rename one. So how to rename, like we have already created this employee table, right? Now we want to modify that. So we want to rename any. So earlier we have this mobile, right? Now I want to change this mobile column name to some different column name. Okay. So which query we will use? So alter, same, alter table, and our table name. So our table name is employee. All right. Rename. So rename is one keyword, right? Rename, and then column, and which column you want to rename. So rename column mobile to. So you have to give other, like the name you want to change. So I am trying to change this mobile column, this mobile, to this mobile underscore number. Got it? So I am just modifying this column name. We have already this mobile column in our employee table. Now I am changing it with mobile to mobile underscore number. Okay, for that purpose we will use this rename query. Alter table employee, rename, and we have to provide our column name and the new column. This is the old column name, this is the new column name. So we are changing it to mobile number. Okay, now let me execute this query. See, we got this green tick. It means our query executed successfully. Now if you want to see your employee table, so we can see via this description query as well. So DESC employee, right? If you see here, our mobile column is now changed to mobile underscore number, because we have executed this rename query here. We have renamed our column name. So via alter command you can modify your column name as well. Got it? Next we have seen this rename column here, and now we'll see that like if you want to modify any column name. So yeah, so earlier we have this mobile number and their data type is varchar, right? Now I want to modify this varchar to some other data type, right? So for that purpose we have alter query. So alter table, and then same table name. So for rename we have rename. So we want to modify some column data type. So for that purpose we have this alter command. So alter table modify, then say alter column, and then we have mobile underscore number. Now I'm changing their data type. Mobile number. Wait. Alter table employee, alter column. We have this mobile number. It is not saying mobile. Alter table name. Alter with modify column mobile underscore number int. All right. So now if we'll execute this query, earlier we have this varchar data type in this employee table. So for mobile number we have varchar data type. Now we are modifying it to integer. Okay. If you see, our query got executed here. Now let me do that DESC employee, so they will show you description of this employee table. All right. If you see here, now our mobile number changed to integer data type, right? Type is integer here. Earlier it is varchar. Now it is changed to int because we have used this modify query to modify column name. Got it? So this is your this is the via alter command you can update these things. If you want to update any column name, right? So if you want to update not the column name, table name. If you want to modify table name, so alter table employee rename to new column name. This is the oldest column name. Now I'm rename it to employee underscore data. That's it. Let me execute this query. Let me refresh this. If you see here, this employee table now changed to employee underscore data, whatever we have written here. All right. So if I'll do this tsc employee, so it is saying table this employee does not exist. Why does not exist? Because we have changed employee to employee underscore data, right? So employee dsc employee underscore data, right? See, now we got that green tick and we our query executed successfully. So dsc employee underscore data because we have renamed our table name to employee underscore data. Got it? If we'll do that same for select, so if we want to fetch those data whatever we have added here, so select all from employee underscore data, right? Let me change again employee data to employee. Okay, I have executed this one all again. See, I have refreshed that one. Employee data change to employee. Okay, dsc employee done. Select all from employee. See, we got all the detail. Got it? So we have discussed all these 5 points here. Okay, delete any column. So if you want to delete any column, right? We haven't seen that one. Let me show you. So if you want to delete any one column, if you want to delete that whole table or like whole data, we have the delete command. Delete from and the table name and delete from table name, and if you want to delete any particular row we will delete that, we will add some where clause for that. But if we want to delete any particular column, that whole column, like if you want to delete this mobile number, so for that purpose we have that query as well. So alter table employee drop column mobile mobile number, right? So this will do what? This will delete mobile number from this employee table. See, it got executed. We got this green signal. Now let me do this. Select a star from employee. If you see here, that mobile underscore number deleted from this employee table. So via this drop command, you with the help of this alter, you can delete any column from this database. Got it? So let me copy these query. We'll paste it in our notes. Yeah. So this is our alter command. Let me save this one. Okay, it's already saved, right? So we have discussed this alter command here. If you want to modify anything, we can use this alter command for that. All right. So yeah, Now we'll go for so in constraint. Last day we have finished that constraint topic. In that constraint, I left one topic, that is I left one constraint topic, that is foreign key. We'll discuss uh, tomorrow. So this foreign, why I have left this topic, because we have some point, like we have some topic that we'll discuss early, then after that we'll discuss this foreign key. So we have joins, SQL join. So first we'll discuss that SQL join, and then we'll go for, so in that join concept, you will see this foreign key constraint, like why we will go for this foreign key and what is the use of this foreign key, everything, right? Let me close this. All right, let me open paint again. Okay, right, we'll see join, SQL join. What is this SQL join? So joins means, like if you want to, so you have two table, right? For example, you have one customer table, sorry, you have one customer table and you have one more table. For example, uh, you have one order table. So this customer will order some ORD, yeah, customer order, customer will order some product. All right, so if there is any relation between this customer and order, it means there is some common thing that is available, whatever available in this customer, that will be available in order as well. So that relationship we will discuss in this SQL join. All right, so let me create one table, not here, let me open that Excel. Okay, blank. So here we'll create some table. Okay, border, border. Okay, let me give some color. All right, and we have some data as well. So this is one table and we have one more table here. Okay, we have total two table. So this is our customer table and this is merge and center, and this is our order table. All right, this customer contain like one customer ID is there, then we have name, then we have email. Let me change the text color to white. Okay, again we have order ID, Then we have some product, which product they have ordered, amount, and again we have customer ID. Let me drag this. So now why I have added this customer ID again in this order table? Okay, let me, where is that color? Yeah, here. Control B. Let me add some value. 1, ABCD, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, not 7. Reject. ABCD, some other name. Some image is there. Let's assume. Then we have their order ID. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have some product like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 10, 40, 45, 34, 23, 67, 89, 54. Then we have this customer ID, right? So this is our customer table. So this customer ID is what? This customer ID is primary key. Okay, same. Oh no, I will not write here. I will write here PK primary key. So we have created one table, that is customer, that contain total 3 column: customer ID, name and email. All right, and our customer ID is primary key in this customer table. Same in order, this order ID is primary key, and we have this auto increment as well, and here we have this auto increment as well. That's why every time we will get one new ID for this. Okay, then in this order table we have one product column like product A, B, C, D and so on. We have their amount as well, like this product amount, cost is 10 rupees, B product cost is 45 rupees. Then we have this customer ID. So why we have this customer ID? What is the relation between this customer and order? So this customer ID is the relation between this customer and order. So for example, this customer number 1, they have ordered few item from Flipkart. They have ordered through 3 like product A, product B and product C. They have say like, so in database we have these detail, these customer detail. So if any customer placed any order, how they will know like which user placed that order? So for that purpose they are storing their ID here. So if customer ID 1 order this product A, they will store their ID. So customer A ordered 3 product here, for example, and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So sorry, 4 and then 5. So this customer ID, they are specifying that this product A, product B and product C, these 3 product ordered by customer 1, and customer 1 means this user, this customer. Got it? So just we are adding their ID here, right? So earlier we left one constraint, that is foreign key, right? We have left this constraint, foreign key constraint earlier. So if this is, so this one is, this customer table is our parent table, this order is our child table. Why this customer table is parent table and why this table is child table? So when we have so first time we got the user, right? First user came to our website, then they have signed up and then log into Flipkart, right? After that, so once they have created their account, these detail saved in database, right? After that they have placed these order. Got it? So first this customer table came, like first they have stored this customer data inside the database and then they have placed that order. So that's why this customer table is your parent table, this order table is your child table, because just we are storing whatever this customer ordered, whatever item they have ordered, just we are storing those information inside this order table and we are storing their ID here. So if in parent table we have one primary key and their reference, so this customer ID is what? Reference of this customer table. So if reference is available in that order table as well, so that reference column is called as a foreign key. Got it? So this is our primary key in parent table, in customer table. That same ID, that same customer ID is available in this order table as well here, right? So that is nothing, that is foreign key. So foreign key is specifying relationship between two tables. So with the help of this foreign key, we can say like we can create a relationship between two tables using the foreign key constraint, right? So if we have any foreign key, it means we have their parent table as well, right? So this is the use of foreign key. If we want to if we want to create any relationship between two table, then we will go for this foreign key constraint. So for first requirement is in parent table we have one primary key and that same ID is available on that child table as well, right? So via this relationship, right, with the help of join, we can do what? Like we have this customer table, we have this order table, right? So if that table created here, so we have customer table, we have order table, right? So if you want to fetch, if you want to fetch information for this customer and this order, you'll do what? Like select all from customer, and if you want to fetch uh, this order detail, you'll do what? Select all from order, right? You'll write this query. But if you want to fetch both and order customer and order information in single query, so with the help of join we can fetch customer and order table data in single query. That's why we will see why we have to use join concept, because we have two table, customer and order. If you want to fetch any information from customer and order, we'll write there simple select query. But what if we have if you want to fetch both customer and order data in single query, so for that purpose we'll go for join concept. So with the help of foreign key and primary key, we'll use that join concept, right? So any doubt on this relationship, what is this foreign key and why we have this customer ID in this customer table as well and this order table as well? Any doubt, anyone? If you have any doubt, I will repeat again.
No doubt.
Yeah, okay. So let me open the paint. Yeah, so we have already discussed that one. I will create one separate note. Okay, so join, like if you want to like the SQL join, sorry, the SQL joins two table based on a common column, that is one our primary key, another one is our foreign key, right? With the help of primary key and foreign key, we can join any two table. We can join two table and we can select records from that table. Got it? Yeah. So with the help of this SQL join, we can SQL join first. Sorry, I have one more spelling mistake. Yeah. So SQL joins basically the SQL joins two table based on a common column. So one is our primary key, second is our foreign key, and we can select records from that table. As I said, if you use joins, you don't have to go for multiple select statement. If you want to fetch records for both customer and order table via single query, you can fetch those records with the help of join. Okay, so we have different mainly will focus on four join. One is inner join, then we have left join, we have right join, and full outer join, right? So one by one we'll discuss each of them. So first we have inner join, then we have left join, then we have right join, full outer join, or you can say full join as well. Full join, no problem. All right, so first we'll discuss that inner join. What is this inner join? Okay, so let me create two table. One is order, other one is customer. Or let me add that definition for this inner join. So the inner join joins the two table based on a common column, that is our primary key and foreign key, and then we can fetch records from that. All right, inner, the inner join joins the two table. So if we have customer and we have order, so in customer we have one primary key, in order we have one foreign key. like customer, whatever primary key it is in customer, that is in foreign key in order table. So these two column are column a common one, right? So the inner join joins the two table based on a common column, that is one primary key and foreign key, and then we can fetch records from that, right? So now we'll create one customer table and one order table here. Okay, let me remove this. Let me copy this one. I don't have to write, or I will create one new. Sorry, not this one. We'll create one new. Yeah. So create table. One is customer. As I said, you can use any letter like uppercase or lowercase. It will work. So, customer underscore ID, or we'll write short form like C underscore ID or cus underscore ID, customer ID. So we'll select this customer ID as a primary key and we'll add this auto increment, right? Why we'll use this auto increment? Because we want unique value every time, right? Then we have customer name, then we have their email, and we don't need this company one. Wait, we don't need this company, we don't need this age, so these information are enough, right? So we are creating one customer table, and I have added customer ID, I have added their name, I have added their email. So let me add one more like address, where car will give 20, yeah, their size. Okay, let me execute this query. See, it got created here. We got that green tick here. All right, let me refresh this. We got this customer table here. All right, now we create one more table, that is our order. So create like order, or we can give like order details, it is fine. And then we'll add one ID, and what is their ID, product amount and customer ID. So this is our product, and amount will give us double, because it might be a chance like we have that amount in decimal as well, so we'll use this double. Let me remove another constraint from this side. And then address. Okay, it is correct. Okay, we have to we'll remove this address one because we don't need this, and we'll add one more. That is our customer ID. All right, so this is our foreign key, so we don't have to add that foreign key into that. they will automatically specify, okay, so we have this primary key in this table. They will automatically take this customer ID as a foreign key. Got it? So we have created ID, product, amount, and customer ID. We have here ID, product, amount, and customer ID. So make sure whatever name you have taken here, take that same name here when you are specifying that foreign key and primary key concept, right? Let me execute this query. See, we got green tick here. Let me refresh. See, we got this order details. So we have created two tables. One is customer, another one is order details. Right? Let me see DESC customer and DESC order details. So that MySQL automatically converting, every time they will converting that uppercase to lowercase. In setting you can apply that, like if you want to store only uppercase information, like table name in uppercase, everything in uppercase, you can allow that well as well, right? So I told you earlier, you can use both uppercase or lowercase. They will consider that same in like both are same. So DSC customer will show you all the customer information. So we have customer ID, key. So this customer ID is our primary key. We have added one auto increment here. Name, again name data type is varchar. Email is, so we have, for email we have added unique constraint. Address, we have address, right? Same for order details. So we have this ID, primary key, product, amount, and customer ID. Got it? So we got these two detail here for customer and order. Now we'll insert some value into customer and order. And after that we'll see that SQL inner join query. Got it? Let me write that insert query here, insert into customer values. We'll directly add values here, 1 comma, then we have to add after customer we have name, so name, then we have email, gmail.com, then we have address is ABCD. Got it? So we have only 4 field in our customer. Executed, done. Let me change this name here. Okay. Oh, that one is already there now. We'll have to and now third one. Oh sorry, yeah, we have to give 3 because we haven't specified here column name. So if we'll specify column name, that time we don't have to give this ID, right? So I'm just adding here value, so that's why we have to mention that value for ID. So we have added these 3 value, and the fourth one, let's yeah, and again fourth. Okay, as well. Yeah, let me show you. We will select all from customer. Yeah, we have the 6 detail here. Now we'll add some data in our order details table as well. First we have ID. Will you change this order details? So in order details, where is that? Yeah, we have total 4. So one so product is A, then 25.5, then last is customer ID 1. Insert it, then 2 B 30, inserted, then we have 3, product name is C 45, inserted, 4 D 52, 3 60 F 5, right? So let me add total how many value we have stored. So select, so to fetch those data we'll use that select query again, select star from order details. So we have added total 5 data here, right? So we have added data in customer table as well. We have added data in order details table as well. All right. Now we'll see this inner join query. So if you want to fetch all the information from order details table and information from customer table as well, we'll use inner join. So for that inner join, we have this query select. So we have seen earlier, right? If you want to fetch all information, we'll use this star command. If you want to fetch some particular information from that table, we'll use that column name. So here I am adding the star. Now select all, then we have to use from, select star from. This is the, if I want to use the select query, this is the common thing. Select star from and the table name. So I'm giving table name as a customer. So select star from customer and then inner join. Inner join, then we have to specify the other table name where you have that relationship. DTAILS, yeah, details. Sorry, this is wrong. TAILS, details. So select star from customer and we are applying inner join here. Inner join and then order details. So if you have any keyword in SQL, see in this MySQL they will show you in that green blue color. So inner join is one keyword. So see this order details color is different and this inner join keyword color is different, this from color is different, this select color is different. So whatever you are seeing in that blue color, all are keyword in this SQL. Okay, and the black one is your table name or column name, right? And this is your value that you are adding here. So we are using here inner join. Select star from our table name, inner join, and which table you want to specify your relation, like foreign key and primary key. So we have to specify the table name as well. So order details is our secondary table or child table. So got it? Now you can write that query in same line or different line as well. Let me write in that same line. Now After that you have to specify your primary key and foreign key relationship, right? So in SQL you can use alias name. What is that alias name? For example, you have this customer. So if you have written customer C, it means C is the alias name. Like in Java, we are creating object, right? If we have this customer class, so customer C equal to new customer, right? Then if you want to use any method inside that customer, so we'll use that C dot method name, right? Like this, we are using customer class method. Same in this SQL. If we have this customer table, and if we want to use any alias name for this, right, we can use that one. So after customer I have written this C, so instead of this customer we can use this C as well. For order details I have added O. So for order details we have O alias name. For customer we have C alias name, right? After on we have to specify our primary key in customer table. So C dot customer ID. We have this customer ID, right? We have this cus underscore ID in our customer table. So C dot ID equal to O dot ID. Got it? So this is our inner join query for customer and order. If we will execute this query, see, we got all the detail: customer ID, name, email, address, and this is our order ID, our product name, amount, and customer ID. So if you see here, we got only detail for Amish, Anup, and Prince, but we have added more detail in customer. So this inner join will show you only the common part between these two tables. What is that common part? See here, we have this Amish. So this Amish ordered only three. They have ordered 3 items here, right? So this Amish and this ID is common here. So that's why we got 3 details for Amish, 1 details for Anup, 1 details for Prince. Because in order details table, if you see, we have only records of ID number 1, ID number 2, and ID number 3. And this ID number 1, 2, and 3 associated with which user or which customer? It is associated with Amish, Anup, and Prince. ID number 1, ID number 2, ID number 3. Got it? If I'll show you again, select all from order details. So in order details we have total 5 rows, but that 5 rows associated with this 3. First 3 row associated with which user? ID number 1 user, right? Last we have customer ID. So this product A, product B, and product C associated with customer 1. Product D associated with customer 2. Product F associated with customer 3. That's why in this join result we got only details for Amish, Anup, and Prince, because other customer user didn't order anything. ID number 4, 5, and 6, these 3 customer didn't order anything, because in order details we didn't have any information for those user, right? For ID number 4, 5, and 6, we have only order details for ID number 1, ID number 2, and ID number 3. That's why we got result only for these 3 customer: Amish, Anup, and Prince. So this is our inner join. Inner join will return the common data between these 2 tables. Got it? So this is our inner join. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss more details in that inner join and the other joins concept as well. right?